Want to know how to change your file directory or your temporary file directory in Audacity? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and another minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Audacity application. And now once you open that up, here you should be provided with these interface right here. And on the top navigation bar, you should be seeing edit. Just simply select edit, and here you should be seeing preferences right here. Now, once you have selected preferences, you can either select Ctrl+P to open up the window as well. In order to change directory, right below libraries, you should be seeing directories right here. So once you've selected it, here you should be seeing your temporary files directory, and here should be your location. So you can just simply change it by selecting browse right here. And you can just choose any one of these folders that you like from your file explorer. And that's it, super simple and easy. Once that is done, your free space should be given up as well. To make you know where it is. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.